Hello, boys and girls. This is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach in Rockland. So excited to be here with you to play a math game. It's called 10 Frame Flash. You may have played it before with your teachers. I'm not sure what they called it, but I call it 10 Frame Flash because I'm going to flash up some 10 frames with dots in them. And I want you to look and see if you can figure out how many dots I'm showing you. But I'm only going to show it for like a couple seconds because it's flash, right? Okay, so you ready? Here we go. Here's the first one. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. All right, so think in your heads, how many dots did I just show you? So let's take a look. So if you said 11, that's correct. If you did not say 11, that's okay, because if you make a mistake, remember, boys and girls, your brain grows. Okay, so one way we could count to make sure this is 11, we could say 1, we can count the dots, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there are 11 dots. The only problem with that strategy is it takes a long time to count all the dots like that. So what's another strategy that you could have used to do it much faster? So this is a recording. You can't answer that right now. If we were all together in school, you could, but that's okay. We're going to do the best we can. So some of you might have done this. You might have said, well, I know this is a 10 frame. Sometimes they look like this, right? Or you might see it look like this. Okay, but they're still 10 frames because in a 10 frame, there are 10 spaces. And this entire 10 frame is filled up. So that means there are 10 dots in this 10 frame. And there's only one over here. So we have 10 here, and we have 1 here, and 10 plus 1 more makes 11. All right, let's try another one. Are you ready? Here we go. Mark a set. Go. Sorry. 1 Mississippi. 2 Mississippi. All right. How many dots this time? Let's take a look. If you said 12, that is correct because we have 10 and 2 more. So 10, 11, 12. So you can think of it as 10 and then count on 2 more. Or you can just say, oh, 10 plus 2 is 12. All right, let's do another one. I'm going to get faster as we go because you're getting so good at it. All right, here's another one. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Go. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. All right. Did you get that one? That was a bigger one. Let's take a look. We know we have 10 here in our 10 frame. All right, we have 10 here. And over here we have, how many more? We have 5 more. We know we have 5 more because half of the 10 frame is filled up. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, let's do a couple more. Here's another one. Are you ready? Oh wait, I got it backwards. Sorry, here we go. Whoop. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. All right, how many this time? Can't hear you. Of course I can't hear you. Silly Mr. McAndrew. Okay, so let's take a look. If you said 14, you are correct. 10 plus 4 more. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 10 plus 4 is 14. Awesome possum. All right. I got 2 more, maybe 3 more, and then we'll wrap this up. Okay. Next one. Ready? Here we go. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. Oh. Okay, that was a little bit long. That was a bigger number, right? So let's take a look. If you said the number is 17, then you are correct. Because, again, we have our 10. We have one group of 10, right? And we also have some ones over here. We have some leftover one. We have let's say we have 5 here, 6, 7. So you have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 dots. All right. We're gonna do one more. Actually, 2 more. Okay, here we go, real quick. Mark, set, go. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. That was a big one. All right, what do you think? Did you get 19? If you got 19, that's awesome because you've got 10 here and you've got 9 here. You've got 9 here because you've got 5 here, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Also, I noticed that there's only one space that doesn't have a dot. If there was a dot there, you'd have 20, right? If you take one of those away, 20 take away 1 is 19. All right, last one. Okay, you're all going to get this one. Ready? Mark, set, go. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. Okay. All right, how do we do? Do we all get 13? Awesome job. We still have our 10. Plus we have 3 more. 1, 2, 3. 10 plus 3 is 13. Or you could have said, oh, 10, 11, 12, 13. Awesome job, you guys. I'm very proud of you guys. I know you're working really hard. It's not easy at home. Remember to be safe, healthy, and kind, especially to your parents. All right, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.